In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Passkey to Binance. A Passkey is a modern, phishing-resistant way to sign in without relying on traditional passwords or text message codes. It uses secure credentials stored on your device and verified by something you already use, like your phone's screen lock, fingerprint, or face recognition. This makes logging in both more secure and more convenient. Before we start, make sure you're signed into the Binance app on your mobile device and that your internet connection is stable. It also helps to have the app updated to the latest version so the security settings look as described. The exact icons and wording can vary slightly between devices, but the flow will be the same. Open the Binance app on your phone. On the main screen, look toward the top left corner and find the menu icon with 3 dots. Tap that to open the side menu. In the menu, tap your profile username. This takes you to your account area where all of your personal settings and security controls live. Inside your profile, look for the security option and tap it. This is where Binance groups everything related to protecting your account, from authentication methods to device management. On the security page, find the passkey option and tap it. You'll land on a screen that explains passkeys and shows any passkeys you've already added. Now tap Add Passkey. At this point, your phone will guide you through creating the passkey on your device. You may see a prompt to confirm using your device's screen lock, such as your fingerprint, face, or PIN. Go ahead and approve that prompt. What this does behind the scenes is securely generate a credential that stays on your device and is unique to your Binance account. No one can use it without access to your device and your chosen method of unlocking it. Once the confirmation completes, you'll see your new passkey listed on the passkey page. That's your sign that it's been added successfully. From now on, when Binance offers the option, you can use this passkey to sign in quickly and securely on this device without typing a password or waiting for codes. If you ever change phones or prefer not to use a passkey on a particular device, you can return to the same passkey section to review what's saved and manage it as needed. And remember, because passkeys are tied to your device, protecting your phone with a strong screen lock is essential. That's it. You've added a passkey to Binance, strengthening your security while making sign-ins faster and simpler.